Look, suppose a triangle is given. A triangle is given. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Now at first try to understand. Okay. A, B, C. Two angles are given. 70 degree, 55 degree. Okay. Find the other angle. How to find?
Can I say?
Oh, no.
Can I say? Can I say?
No. Acha. Shuhana, are you there? Shuhana, can you say how to find out this? Orgodip, Yash? Shuhana, beta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say how to find out this angle? Which one is not given?
Ma'am, can I tell? No, ma'am.
No, acha. Everyone listen to me. Those who know, acha, don't make any noise. Everybody mute yourself. Ipsita, mute yourself. Trisha. Okay, now look at this. Shuhana, listen to me very carefully, huh? Sum of three angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree, na? Sum of all the three angles. That means we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Shuhana response. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look, angle B and C to given 70 degree and 55 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the other? If we add these two and subtract from the whole angle, the sum of the angle, 180, then we'll get this one. Angle A, yes or no? Again, I am telling.
Yes,
total sum is 180. This minus, if we add them, 70 and 55, then only what value will come? That one will be the value of the remaining angle, yes or no? Shuhana, understood? Orgodip?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this type of question are very important for the exam. Okay. Now, all of you can open the book. Open at page number 170. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am. The seventh one, though. Ma'am, the seventh one, though.
Yes, the seventh one.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody start to solve it.
Okay.
Number A.
Ma'am, in book or copy?
In copy. Look at this. This angle is given 55 degree. Those who can answer it themselves, no need to look at the screen. Okay, they can do themselves. Okay, this one 69 degree. Now we will have to find this angle. Just directly we will write the required angle is the required.
Just like ratio.
Angle is, or you can give name ABC. Also do in this way, okay? If you are giving name, just listen to me one time, all of you. Achha, Shamia Rahman, I cannot see you. Samia, where are you? Ipshita, I told you to mute yourself. I'll remove you from my class. Okay, look at this. The required angle, or you can say angle A, to unknown is angle A. If you give name, then you have to write so angle A is equal to. If you don't give any name, okay, then you can write the required angles. Is it clear to everyone, Amitrajit, Shuhana?
Do we need to draw this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, say Divyanka.
Ma'am, do we need to draw the triangle and then start solving it?
Basically, if it is one marker question, then no need to draw. But if it is more than one, then you will have to draw the triangle. Got it? But basically,
okay, ma'am.
FA2, you don't no need to draw because it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
MCQ. Okay.
Yes,
but I am
ma'am.
telling you the rules. Okay.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
for
Okay.
Okay. Now look, the required angle is, look, directly we can write 180 degree minus head of the other two angle, 55 degree, 69 degree. Okay. Now do it. 180 degree minus add these two, 55 and 69. What will be, Amit Rajit? Shourdashish? Shamia?
Ma'am,
Pooja?
124.
Good. Acha, put degree sign is equal to, now subtract it. Now subtract. 56.
Can I
Yes
get
or
the
no?
answer?
Yes, ma'am. Answer is 56 degree.
Okay, done. Acha, suppose you are giving the name, then also the process I am telling, okay. Just directly angle A is equal to 180 degree minus this plus this. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, now I am clearing the screen. Acha, number B and C will be your homework. I am doing number D. This is 77 degree.
Ma'am, for BC, you will send the assignment though.
Look at this. Acha, I am doing the other process here. So that you can remember both the process. Basically, you can write the required angle or you can write. Acha, Shourdashish, keep the camera properly, beta. Yes. Done? Add them. What will be? If Chita say.
What, ma'am?
The addition.
Okay, ma'am.
First.
Ma'am, 146.
No. Shamia?
Minus 10 answer will be.
136.
136.
Debolin,
Yes,
why are you
136.
saying? Whom I am asking? Debolin? You. Yes, 136. Now the write the answer. Acha, now I am doing number E. Somebody, acha, everybody draw the figure. It will be a good habit. Divyanka, no need to react this. Okay, don't give this type of reaction. Okay. I know there are some space. Yes, though. So draw the figure. Acha, number E. Next one. Okay. This one is given 30 degree. This one is given 36. Yes, though.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now find that I am giving the name. Angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree plus 36 degree. After finding this, I'll ask you which type of triangle is this, huh?
On the basis of angle, right?
Exactly, on the basis of angle. Add them.
66.
Yes. Now do the subtraction. Mute yourself. Ipshita. Shamia.
The subtraction
Shamia, mute
126.
100?
Sorry. 26.
26. 126.
No.
Sorry,
Ujan?
26.
Ujan?
No,
Ujan,
ma'am, 114.
114. Good. Acha, now this is angle A to 114. Acha, this angle is greater than 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. It will be obtuse. Sorry.
Devolin,
Everyone mouth is sleeping.
Devolin, where are you? Show me your face.
Ma'am, I am here only.
I'll go to your home and then I'll give you the punishment, okay? Then I'll punish you. Okay, now look at this. Kazi is there? Kazi Ayman? Kazi, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes.
Kazi, this 114 degree is greater than 90, na? Yes or no? Junaid. Kazi, where are you? Shoham, have you understood? This 114 degree is what? Obtuse angle, na? Yes or no? So, this triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am. We do the obtuse angle triangle.
Okay, good. Now number 8.
Do we need to draw?
Yes. (61 degree). This one is 62 degree. So give name A, B. I am giving name P, Q, R. Huh? So angle P is equal to 180 degree minus. Sridatri, are you under? Sridatri, are you there? Let me.
Yes, ma'am. I am here.
Acha, okay. Have you understood better?
Why you have given, ma'am? Why you have given LP?
No, this is angle sign.
Oh.
Now add them. 100.
123.
Okay, now the subtraction value.
57.
No, Anushka, keep your camera on and say. Riazuddin, Anuva, keep your camera on. Anushka, Shedansa, Tazib, Rifa, Shafin and Oishi, keep your camera on. Oishi, are you able to answer it? Just normal subtraction.
Ma'am, I can say the answer.
Yes, say better.
Ma'am, 57.
Good. Okay, done though. Now let me explain one thing, huh? All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Again, this one more important thing I will explain today. Okay, that is it possible to form a triangle? This type of question. Already about angle I told you. Suppose three angles are given. Suppose three angles are given: 71 degree, 67 degree, 59 degree. Is it possible to form a triangle with these angles? With the help of these three angles, is it possible to form a triangle? What is the rule? We will have to add them na, Shuhana, and we'll have to check whether the addition value is 180 degree or not. If it is 180 degree, then yes, it is possible. Yes, though.
Yes, ma'am.
But suppose it is less than or greater than 180 degree, not exactly 180, then it is not possible. This type of question are very much important for the exam. Okay, Amitrajit, Junaid, Samia.
It is greater than 180. Yes, ma'am.
So it is not possible. Okay. Now it is to on the basis of angle. Now on the basis of sides, how to do? Suppose three sides are given: 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay?
Ma'am, I can tell the answer.
No. Wait. Let me explain for the others at first. Then it will be answerable. Okay? Now look. Shohana, Shoham, look at this very carefully. Everybody.
Okay,
Look.
What to add?
Okay. You explain. Ipshita, explain. Keep quiet, huh? Achha, now look at this. Those who don't know about this, listen to me very carefully. Huh? Only one time I will explain. Then I will ask each and everyone. Look, we have to add any two one by one. We have to follow 3 steps. Huh? Step 1. Basically now you can say, ma'am, why 3 steps? Look at this. 7 plus 6 we have to add. Huh? This one is equal to what? Suhana? 13 too. Now we have to check. We have to check this 13 is greater than the rest side or not. This one is remaining too. We will have to check this addition is greater than the third one or not. Yes, so 13 greater than 3. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So first done. Now if the sum of any two side is greater than the third side, that means it is possible to form such type of triangle. Is it clear? But the question is, why we will have to do 3 times? Divyanka, are you able to answer?
No, ma'am, that is why I am thinking.
Basically, look, if you check just one, then you can say, okay, this type of triangle can be formed. Yes, so Divyanka. But suppose we will have to check it alternatively for each side. Look, first thing done to 6 plus 7. Now again we will have to do 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Look, this one is 9 to. Now we will have to check this one is greater than the remaining side or not. 7. Yes. Now the third step. 7 plus 3. 10. Step 3. This one step 2. 7 plus 3, that is equal to 10. Now for when we take 7 and 3, which one is remaining side? This 6, na? It is greater than 6. When it will follow, it will be followed for each of the side. Then only it is possible. Now Divyanka, clear?
But ma'am, if we add only the smaller two lengths, then will it be a problem?
No, but sometimes, look, I am giving one example. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Please explain with the example.
8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay. Got it? Now look, 8 plus 5. That one is equal to 13 तो this is greater than the remaining side 3. Yes तो?
Yes ma'am.
Yes
But-
ma'am.
But if we add 5 plus 3,
8. Equal.
is it greater than 8?
No ma'am, equal.
No ma'am, equal. No
Okay.
ma'am.
The thing is, basically first, always first, try to add the smaller two side, huh? Understood though? Suppose any three side is given, 13 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter, okay? Look,
Okay, ma'am.
always try to add the smaller two one first. Then only you can get the answer easily in less time, okay? Basically, it is given, oh ma'am, you have given to 13 first, then 10, then 1, then we are adding, we are following the steps. 10 plus 13, don't do this. First, okay, that is shortcut rule, huh? First, take the lesser two side. 10 plus 1, 11, which is less than 13, so not possible. No need to do the other part. Got it though? Is it clear?
Yes ma'am, and ma'am, I have a
Yes
question.
ma'am.
Yes, say.
Means ma'am, I have understood this process, but ma'am, in book, one thing is written that aim angle, then the name of the angle like R, like ma'am, in question number 9, angle RST, aim angle R. Ma'am, what is the meaning of aim here? I can't understand that.
Measurement.
Acha, aim angle Q, that means measurement, okay? Measurement of angle Q. That's why this is given, okay? No need to do this. Okay, you can directly write angle Q is equal to angle P is equal to, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Acha, now look at this. Acha, all of you understood on the basis of sides how to form the triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
All the students, Trisha? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes
Okay, okay.
ma'am.
Anushka, Oishi, Shafin, Mirza. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
When I am telling everybody, then you will have to answer. Huh? Individually, I will not take the name. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Now you can open page number 170. Page number 170. Question number 9 and 10. Acha, 8, 9, 10. That means question number 10, already this type of question I have done. Check whether it is possible or not. Yes, though? Look, three angles are given. First I am doing number 10. Number 10D. Okay.
Ma'am, will we do this?
Angle A. This one you will have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Angle B. Measurement of angle B is equal to given 100 degree. And angle C is equal to 12 degree. Just add them. If we add these two, look, it will cross 180, na?
Yes ma'am.
Even no need to add them.
It will be 188.
Exactly. Now what to write as? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is not equal to 180 degree. So, triangle ABC cannot be formed. Cannot be formed. Is it clear to everybody? Who have not understood, say. Shoham, Shridati, Ujan. Are you able to see the screen? Okay. Okay, done too?
Ma'am.
Complete?
Ma'am. Done.
That's okay. Now look at this. Acha, number C given 44, 59 and 100. Check and say. 44, 159. Pujan, Samia.
Yes, ma'am.
Say number C. Is it possible? 44, 159.
Ma'am, just a minute. Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, by
Yes,
CS, sawing only.
Ma'am, what are the digits? Can you please say, because I have
44 degree.
book but without those pages.
Yes, you told me in the last class. 44 degree, 100 degree, 59 degree. By looking at the last digit, you can easily say 4 plus 9 if we add, then the addition value will be 13 to 3. But in 180 degree, the last unit digit is 0, na?
0.
So no need to do it. It is not possible. Yes, so Shordashish, Shuhana understood? Kazi?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, okay, now look at this. Question number 9, which is very important. Number 9. But it doesn't mean that it will come in exam, huh? Usually when I was in school, when teacher told me that this question is very much important, then I thought it will definitely come in exam.
That is the teacher's strategy.
Achha, okay, look at this. Number 9th one, in triangle RST, let me draw first. RST.
Ma'am, will we draw?
Yes. Okay. By free hand, you can draw, okay? Achha, look. Angle R is given 29 degree. Okay. Angle AC is given 52 degree. Find angle T. Same thing. Do it first.
Ma'am, who will tell the answer?
Say better.
Ma'am, who will tell the answer?
Anybody who have done it first. Okay. He or she can.
So ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes ma'am, it is 99 degree.
99 degree, yes. Achha, now number 8, huh? In number 8, look, number D I am doing. 8D, the last one. Is it possible to form a triangle with this following sides? The sides are given 8.8 centimeter, 6.8 centimeter.
We have to do decimal addition.
Yes. Ifshita, mute yourself better. Achha, in it too, I told you just try to take the lesser two first, huh? So take this and this. Okay. Is equal to what? Achha, right here now, huh? Now, this plus this is equal to add them. What will be 15.6? Divyanka?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am writing the line, statement, not line segment.
Yes, ma'am, it will be 15.6. Yes, ma'am.
Achha, which is greater than 9.9 centimeter?
Yes ma'am.
15.6 centimeter. is greater than.
Yes, to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting. At first, complete up to this.
Done.
The first step I have done. Okay, second and third, these two also you will have to do. Now what to do? 6.8 plus 9.
Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
Beta, just 5 minutes are there. Okay, just 5 minutes.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
6 minutes left.
Achha, okay. Done. So now the second step you can do 6.8 plus 9.9. Then that one will be greater than 8.8. Up to this done, so I am erasing it. Huh? Next step.
Yes, ma'am.
6.8 plus 9.9 centimeter. That one is equal to
90% charge আছে
I told you it is enough. Find
যদি
mute
এরকম
yourself.
করে সুইচ অফ হয়ে যায়
Okay, add them. Divyanka, say the answer.
Ma'am, I am not doing more. Means as you have told, the smaller two, if we do, then
No,
we
you
will
will
get
have
the.
to do it. I know.
Ma'am,
so.
I can tell.
No, wait. Divyanka only say. Divyanka, do it. She is becoming lazy day by day, huh?
No, ma'am, that is also one rule my father taught, actually.
Okay, beta, I know, but I told you for this question, for the first question, do all the 3 steps, okay?
Yes, ma'am, 16.7.
Good. Acha, now the third one. Junaid, say.
Okay, ma'am. It will be 18.7 centimeter.
Acha, here what to write? Greater than 8.8 centimeter, yes, to?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
one
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
greater than 6.8 centimeter. So
Yes,
at last, what to write? Yes, it is possible to form such type of
A triangle.
triangle. Okay.
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Acha, okay, go. Acha, look, tomorrow I'll start computer. Okay, but for first 20 minutes, for first 25 minutes, okay? And then the last 10 minutes maths, I'll again start, huh?